True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So first I wanna big up all of the fans them. Big up on yourself and who wanna watch from. Yeah, there abroad. Right now I'm in Manchester on the Melrose bypass. Yeah man, so I make a left turn. Remember back in the days we used to drive on them road there. When you have an accident on them road there, you have a lot of traffic. Yeah man, so I take you back on this road, will take us to Williamsfield Roundabout, guys. So keep on watching. I know a lot of person want to know about Jamaica, so you stop on the right channel, which is True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid, you know. You know a lot of things. This channel is all about Jamaica. Places to go, when to go, where to go. Yeah man, so thank you for stopping by and enjoy the tour with your tour guide, Fire Reid. Yeah man, you know, back in the days when I come from Williamsfield Roundabout going to Porus, them side there. Yeah man, if you have an accident, a lot of traffic and a lot of accident also. So look at the beauty in Manchester. Yeah man, we're having some nice weather today. Very, very nice weather today. So yes my people, so always remember to like up the video. Yeah man, like up the video because YouTube like to see that. So don't like up the video, but then share the videos all across YouTube, make you reach out to a lot of different people, you know. So if you're coming from Porus side, guys, Clarendon and place I don't want to go to Belfield, Banana Ground, Williamsfield. All depends on where you're going. Williamsfield, I know you all go to Catholic College. Yeah man, you can make that turn here if you're coming from Porus side. But you know the road condition are all that perfect still, but take a little time and navigate through and you reach your destination. Have some patrol and stuff same way, but take a little time. Yeah man. I know a lot of persons want to travel to Jamaica. They more have to know the place first before they come to Jamaica. So this is the right place. This is the right channel, guys. Yeah man, just the True Jamaican Vibes. We're taking on the countryside, the rural area, them place there. Yeah man, because a lot of people forget them place, you know. Some people just show only the city side of Jamaica. What about the country area? You don't know country life is the best. Nice view of the mountain. I think that is we up in a banana ground and place in the mountain they're supposed to in front of us, you know, so can get a good view same way. Yeah man, a lot of persons when they come from that side they want to go to Christiana, Spalding's them place there. Yeah man, so we can make that turn here. The turn we make down on the Melrose bypass. We're coming from Porus side. Big up all the fans them watching from UK, Canada. Big up all the Jamaican people them same way. Big up everybody. We are watching our channel right now. Yeah man, just like up the video from Antigua, Barbados, Bahamas, New Zealand. Yeah man, thank you all for the support. If it wasn't for you guys, this channel would not be growing, so I want to thank you all. Yeah man, it's just the True Jamaican Vibes, your tour guide. You know, sometimes you drive some places that it can be a bit lonely, so I always remember to check when I go to a morning time, evening time, anytime at all when I go on a journey. I always remember to check your water. Yeah man, check on the lug, check on the spear. Yeah man, so there are some safety tips because some of the times wear and tear can cause the lug them to loosen and stuff, so you must check them thing there and check on the spare tire. So yes guys, so you know we are head to Williamsfield Roundabout. Yeah man, you know it's in the Williamsfield. You have a coffee factory. Yeah man, also a police station. Also a old train station. Yeah man, so you don't know. Back in the days you heard about the Kendall crash. Yeah man, the Kendall crash in Manchester. Yeah, so you don't know, so the train station you still can get a view of the train station. Yeah man, a lot of people forget them history. Yeah man, so we need to visit them places, see them, we look on the old train station. And people still alive now. People who were in the Kendall crash. Yeah man, you have people still alive from that train crash. So yes, my people, so on September the 1st, 1957, yeah man, so I don't know, so September 1st, yeah man, train crash in Kendall, killing some 179 people, injured hundreds, yeah man, so can't forget them things, can't forget the history of Jamaica same way. So we need to check out them things, yeah man. Having some bumpy ride right now.
Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Game face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me and come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip, put your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me and come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip with your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming.
So the right turn will take you all to Belfield, also to Banana Ground. On your left you have the Catholic College of Mandeville, Manchester.
Face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me and come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip with your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it.
This is where you get the best jerk pork. Yeah man, but kinda closer now. Yeah man, so that is where you get it right. That's where you get the best jerk pork. Approaching this roundabout will take you all to, you make the right turn, carry back to Kirkvine area, also to Christiana. So I'm keeping left, will take you all to Williamsfield area. So as I said before, we have a coffee factory in Williamsfield, also a police station and all train station in Williamsfield area. And also you have a gas station on your left. So if you run out of gas and want some gas, Yeah man, you can check out the gas station that's in Williamsfield. Very little nice and quiet area. About 10 minutes drive to Mandeville town and roughly about 30 minutes drive to Christiana. Yeah man, so we just passed the coffee factory on our left. Yeah man, so you across the chain line now, and you're right, you can get your fruits and stuff. And as you see the chain line and you're right, that's where the chain station is. Yeah man, so we're heading to the little town area, as in Williamsfield. That's where you would find the police station in Williamsfield. And if you make the right turn, that's entrance will take you all to the change station in Williamsfield area. So we're heading towards the Williamsfield Roundabout. Yeah, you know, so the first exit will take you all back to Melrose Hill, Porus, Clarendon. If you take the second exit, it will take you all to Royal Flat. And the third exit will take you all to Winston Jones Highway. So thank you guys for watching the channel True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. And always remember, if you learned something from this channel about Jamaica, you can subscribe and share the channel and give it a big like. Free of cost. Yeah man, one love and one army people. Keep safe. Always feel free to visit our sweet, sweet Jamaica. Jamaica, land we love. Blessings.